Lithuania, officially the Republic of Lithuania, is a country in Northern Europe, the largest of the three Baltic states. It is situated along the southeastern shore of the Baltic Sea to the east of Sweden and Denmark.
I would like to just roam the world, see the cows like if I deserve to stand there, and I would just sing this theme song over and over again, as if I'd like to just roam the world, see the cows like if I deserve to stand there, and I would just sing this theme song over and over again, as if I'd like to just roam the world, see the cows like if I deserve to stand there, and I would just sing this theme song over and over again, as if I'd like to just roam the world, see the cows like if I deserve to stand there, and I would just linger there.
It borders Latvia to the north, Belarus to the east and south, Poland to the south, and Kaliningrad Oblast, a Russian exclave, to the southwest. Lithuania has an estimated population of 3 million as of 2012, and its capital and largest city is Vilnius. The Lithuanians are a Baltic people, and the official language, Lithuanian, is one of the two living languages, together with Latvian, in the Baltic branch of the Indo-European language family. For centuries, the southeastern shore of the Baltic Sea was inhabited by various Baltic tribes. In the 1230s, the Lithuanian lands were united by Mindaugas, who was crowned as a king of Lithuania, creating the first unified Lithuanian state on the 6th of July in 1253. During the 14th century, the Grand Duchy of Lithuania was the largest country in Europe. Present-day Belarus, Ukraine, and parts of Poland and Russia were territories of the Grand Duchy of Lithuania. With the Lublin Union of 1569, Lithuania and Poland formed a voluntary two-state union, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth. The Commonwealth lasted for more than 2 centuries, until neighboring countries systematically dismantled it from 1772 to 1795, with the Russian Empire annexing most of Lithuania's territory. In the aftermath of World War I, Lithuania's Act of Independence was signed on the 16th of February in 1918, declaring the re-establishment of a sovereign state. Starting in 1940, Lithuania was occupied first by the Soviet Union and then by Nazi Germany. As World War II neared its end in 1944 and the Germans retreated, the Soviet Union reoccupied Lithuania. On the 11th of March in 1990, the year before the breakup of the Soviet Union, Lithuania became the first Soviet republic to declare independence. Prior to the global financial crisis of 2007-2010, and now in its aftermath, Lithuania has one of the fastest growing economies of the European Union. It is a member of NATO, the Council of Europe, and the European Union. Lithuania is also a full member of the Schengen Agreement. The United Nations Human Development Index lists Lithuania as a very high human development country. Lithuania will hold the presidency of the Council of the European Union in the second half of 2013. As of 2012, Lithuanian life expectancy at birth was 70 years for males and 80 years for females, and the infant mortality rate was 6.2 per 1,000 births. The annual population growth rate increased by 0.3% in 2007. At 30.4 people per 100,000, Lithuania has seen a dramatic rise in suicides in the post-Soviet years and now records the second highest suicide rate in the world. In 1996, it had the highest suicide rate of 49.1 per 100,000 of the population in recorded world history. Lithuania also has the highest homicide rate in the EU.